Good morning, everyone. This is Mr. C, and I'm going to be showing you how to access Minecraft education maps through the Minecraft store itself. There is a workaround because a lot of schools have IT blockages, but there are a lot of really good curriculums built into Minecraft education that we need our students to be able to have access to. So first off, I'm going to open up Minecraft Education here. My application will be in Architecture 1. That's my beginning architecture class, but this can work for programming, math, science. It doesn't really matter. This is kind of the same method throughout the entire thing. So I'm going to hit play. Now, this is the screen that your students will see where they have access to all of their worlds that they are currently working on. They can create a new world. They could join your world or a friend's world. They could even import worlds. And we will come back to this button in a little bit. But the library here is a really unique area where it's a built-in Minecraft map maker. And most people have IT blockages with the library, but the teacher should be able to extract maps and distribute these to their students. So let's go and click on library, and let's go and grab, we can go into, let's go into art and design. So art and design, you have tons of different ones, architecture, bridges, tree houses. If I go back here, you can see there is a computer science section for block coding, coding with Python, game code, AI. So, you can grab kind of any of these that are specific to what you're doing. But for my application, I'm going to go select architecture. And I am actually going to create a world. Now the import is going to start, and it imports directly into mine, so my students don't have access into this. If I want all of my students to be on a single world, then I can just stop here, and my students could be on this together, but I want my students to be able to explore this independently without the kind of chaos of other students being there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually save and exit this world, because I'm going to download this world and I'm going to distribute it to all of my students. So I'm going to go into my worlds and I'm going to click on architecture. Now, when I click on architecture, if I just click once, I should have the option for manage, and I'm going to actually export this. And I'm going to put it just straight into my downloads, and we're going to keep the name as architecture.mcworld, and I will click on save. Okay, so the world export has started, and it tells me that it's successfully exported. Let's go check inside of my downloads just to make sure that it's there. And I can see it's got the little Minecraft architecture or Minecraft education symbol with architecture.mcworld. Now I can upload this to Google Drive, Google Classroom, have my students download it, the same that they would download any other file. We're going to jump ahead to the import step that you need to show your students how to get that world into Minecraft education. So I'm going to go back here just so we start from the very beginning, and I'm going to click on play. Again, this is that same kind of area that all students should see, but now we're going to come back to that import button, and that import button is super important for getting worlds that are downloads into our Minecraft education playable area. So I'm going to click on import, and it's going to ask me which world I want to grab. Now I've got a few different ones here, but for right now we're just going to do that architecture.mc world that we just downloaded, and I'm going to click on open. Now it tells me that the import has started and that it imported successfully. Now I could go into my worlds. I can see now I've got 2 copies of architecture, which we would expect because I had my original copy, and this is the one I just imported, and I'm going to hit play. So This is the process that all of your students will do to get that world into their playable worlds, and this allows them to be on this world independently. If you set up the world so that there's independent assignments, or so that they can explore things without the kind of distractions of other students, I would definitely suggest having them import worlds instead of you hosting every single world. We have just seen there are that can cause some issues. So this is how you import Minecraft worlds. You could go download worlds from the library or from various websites like Planet Minecraft, and have your students explore really, really cool and unique curriculum through Minecraft education. All right, thanks. Bye bye.